So guys, I'm gonna go buy Carzy Action TV for the weekend. Well, not weekend, but till Friday, Saturday. You see me? So I did a free journey. We had some content. I just made up a day, you see me? I'm gonna follow me on the road. Yeah, let's do it, bro. I already know. So guys, I'm on my way now. I just left out of my yard. You see me? I'm gonna link up with that now. But first, I have to go stop in a town, collect a blood test result for see. So after that, then you know I'm catching back and shit. Yeah, there's pull up in a town, about to go in a town. I reach for the main yet still, as he just left my yard. So catching back when we in a town, as he I go collect the result and shit. So yeah, some just reach in a town, I go collect the blood test and all. So I go come up here, as he there go guys. Okay, so guys, we got it. Alright guys, we got it now. We go back on the way, back my dad and everything, guys. Damn, bro. That was quick, as less than even 2 minutes, bro. For the camera. Less than 2 minutes, not much that day. Less than 2 minutes, guys. Back on the road, you know. Go buy a dog, you know, easy back like a bit. Want to make some content for you guys, as it, because the content will depend for the area. Yes. So, I'm going back again. Alright guys, so we're in a dog lane right now. In a dog lane now, you see me? Both pull up on the dog on the time. But as I say guys, we're gonna make some content. You see me? I don't know what type of content really, but anything we do, just go with the flow, you see guys. I don't even know how I'm going to go on the truck. I truck block up the whole road to Bombard. So guys, we reach, bro, you see.
Can't be there, I can video with this.
That rich and man is hard at work too. That hard at work, guys. So there you see me, go on his back. You see pretty guys.
Get off my screen, nigga.
Cool boy did an NBA right quick.
What's your score?
Which I dad did my NBA right quick. Boy, I kinda did little bit in the bottom. I catch up back, you see it. I leave little bit still. But I know guys.
What's going on? Not even done it.
Guys, 5 point lead.
5 point.
Dog. Bro. I like me need to set up a phone so we can see record. I hope you beat it, dog. You know I got dead, yo. You guys are dead. You are dead. Alright guys, look at the boy I did, you know. Left Curry outside. You left Curry outside.
Watch your road watch, guys.
Watch your Curry.
Watch your big comeback. Watch your big comeback.
Where's the rim protection? That's just too easy for him. Curry passes to Heel. Now here's Kuminga.
Left body heel up. Left body heel up, I need.
Kuminga on the take. And Kuminga throws it down. Attacking the rim with power. Tremendous finish. Here's Kim.
Shit, we jumped too early, man.
Kim's got his second bucket in the game. Credit their discipline. They've been working for high percentage shots. And here's Kuminga for three.
Green bean!
Another three. And just totally relentless. Only increasing the intensity level.
He's the guy that you want to go to right now, trying to put this one away.
Great positioning on the putback. He really gets in perfect position for the foul. And here in the second quarter of action, just a hair under 2.5 minutes played. And he's going for the
Oh, come in these again. Oh my gosh.
Johnson on the wing. He tries for three. Hits the traffic. Johnson's got five.
Don't you like to see guys go on the bounce pass, threading it through their
Steve Kerr calls the time here. Carry on.
Oh my God, what's
Shit,
it?
give me that shit. Go on, Moody, go on. Go on, Moody, go on.
Offside Moody.
I
So he
want.
draws the foul. He's to the line to shoot a pair. It's going to go on Shea Gilgeous-Alexander. I don't mind that. They bring him down the rim.
Send them on the line, guys.
Go there, shit.
Send them on the line, man. Send them on the
Boy,
line.
fucking shot, bro.
Oh my God, West.
Not going to go that time.
Jesus, open shot.
Outside, Green. Pass to Curry.
Ooh, where you going?
Oh my God, West.
He was fouled.
What here, Westbrook?
Going to the line for one more. And he'll be shooting his first free throw.
It's so easy to
Here's Kuczynski.
Come on, what the
He grabs
bro?
the miss. Durant's got 4 rebounds now. That's the signal. Here's Payton. Drills it from deep.
Jaja, bro.
Now it's a 5-point Warrior lead.
ways to go past that shot. But he's way too far back and relaxed and getting out of it.
Here's Green.
Oh, mistake to relax.
Player on that team out there that has interest in winning this game.
Come on.
Three from Curry. Gets the 3 ball. Just incredible. I mean, over Payton. Offensive rebound. Got a hand on it. Outside for Butler. Outside Curry. That's it.
Yan na siya. Yan na siya. Kaya tinagok nila. Iwan na sa harap. Dog na.
Here we go. Here's Payton.
Good.
Oh, what the fuck? You're not team.
Here's Westbrook.
Then how many na I just stopped shot of fucking shot. Fuck, you tayo.
One person that the coaching staff and the teammates love to see at the line in a tough ball game. They pretty much bank on these.
Nice.
Wondering if that's the biggest shot of the game.
Oh my gosh. Isa is so
A huge shot to tie it up. They really picked up the energy level and have built themselves into this game.
They didn't really have a choice.
Oh!
They had to fight hard. They got that.
So guys, at this point my finger knee start hurt me, so that's why I never da play good as me, but yeah.
It's a certain mindset right now to
That's gonna be game.
He hits the first one.
That's going to be game, guys.
Alexander, he's checked in for Peyton. Second free throw, no good that time. He really wanted that one. And there's only one option. They need a triple.
Thank you.
Thank
Thank you. And that's going to be game. That is why this team are foolish. That is why Golden State attack. Always a lead and a fuck up. Always a lead and a mess up. That's why Golden State are champions. Just saying. Just saying, bro. Just saying, bro. Boy, you tell him something that go running back in the guys. Tell him that go running back.
And the Warriors call time here.
Look at the thing. Disappointed with the man who got that change.
Take with a strategy being discussed right now.
They need
points right away.
Hug me, bro.
First free throw's good. And so he drops them both. And it's an 8-point ball game. Golden State calls timeout. 5 ticks left to play in the fourth. All right, guys, what's your take? Too little, too late. Making the change won't save them now.
Well, I'm going to use the cliche here. You can't take your timeouts with you, so they're going to use it.
So we see Oklahoma City get the win here.
Bro, honestly,
It's trash.
like,
Trash. I'm telling you, I'm not gonna have the what the hell moment. When you hear my Shami said, what the hell? What the hell? I want to do
bro,
shit. We got to do.
I'm not going to win one game, man.
She would have
Believe.